Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can specify the illumination color of the drum kit, button and knobs for the Roland TD-27 Sound Module. Okay, before doing that, you want to choose which kit that you want to choose to change the color. For this example, I'm going to choose kit number 10, Studio B. So the first thing I got to do is hit the kit edit button and then hit the other button, and then you can use the dial knob to choose the kit color. Press enter, and from here you can use the dial knob to choose which illumination color you want. For this example, I'm going to choose red. There you go. And all I have to do to save this is hit the exit button. So now my kit number 10 Studio B has got the red illumination color. So if I go to kit number 11, it's going to show white illumination color back. And if I want to change this, I do the same process. Hit the kit edit button, the other button, and you are already at the kit color, and hit the enter button and use the dial knob to choose which illumination color you like. For this example, I'm going to choose green. And to save it again, press the exit button. So now my kit number 11 has got the green illumination color, and kit number 10 has got the red illumination button. This provides a useful way to distinguish between drum kits. For example, you could assign different colors to drum kits of different genres, or use the color as a guideline when editing instruments. Hope this helps, and see you on my next video.